So I'm back in Berlin, and it's different than New Zealand. It's a noisy place and a lot of traffic and fashion and cool people and all that and stress and noise on the street. But I have my little place. I have my bathtub. I have my computer. I have the people I love. Everything is good. I'm not worried. And next week we're going to Paris to present our AI app. It's a creative AI app which we're building since a long time, and I'm happy to share it soon with you. We are almost finished, and we will present it to some really prestigious fashion brands and fashion institutes because it's also connected to fashion, but you can also use it for other things. And yeah, that would be nice. I got invited to use Manus AI. That's the newest AI agent on the market, basically, and it does a lot for you. It can do big researches for you, or book things, or do all that. So in the future, maybe we don't need a travel agent anymore. You just ask AI to do it, and it puts you together the whole trip, or it looks for housing, for cheap housing in the city for you. You don't need a housing agent anymore. So soon will be the age of AI agents, but also soon will be a crazy age because like I'm using Notion for my diary and for all my projects and thoughts, but Notion now added the AI feature, and now I can really easily search with AI through all my notes. And I think it's pretty scary because if I can do it, they can do it, and maybe their partners can do it and governments can do it. So everybody suddenly has access to all your data in a very easy way. And I think that's a bit scary. I listened to the Nexus book by Yuval Noah Harari, and he also talks about it. He talks about the age of information, how books and AI are kind of, when books were the new technology, and now AI is the new technology, and how it can be misused. And it's just super interesting book. I really recommend to read it. If you are interested in AI and the future and all that, I think it's totally worth reading this book. Well, that was it. Not keeping it too long. Have a lovely day.